Hi there! It's quite a busy morning for me, which means I don't have a lot of time to do my makeup, but I will take this opportunity to show you a very quick look that I usually do when I'm in a hurry. It's just a very simple, minimal makeup that you can do for classes, for work, whatever you may do on an everyday basis that requires you to get ready fast. Okay, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna start by quickly doing my brows. I would usually skip this step because I have bangs and my brows are not really that visible, but I'm aware that most of you would probably want a little bit of something on your brows. A very quick and effective product is the Gimme Brow Gel by Benefit. This is a tinted brow gel. I have the shade 3 here. So it has a little brush like that, and you can use it to make the brows look a little bit fuller, fill them in a little bit, while also slightly setting them in place. That's why I enjoy it for quick makeup, because it does a little bit of everything. I'm just gonna run it through my brows. Wherever you have bald spots, you can use the tip of the brush and apply some more product there to fill in. So by using this tip, you can also kind of shape the brow a bit. Then I'm going to brush them upwards and out. And that is my quick brow for today. I'm gonna skip foundation today, but a little bit of concealer makes the biggest difference when you want to look a little bit more awake and even out your skin tone a bit. So I will use my Stay Naked concealer from Urban Decay, mainly on my under eyes. I'm gonna mainly use it on my under eyes, but I'm also going to apply a tiny bit on my nose, because usually that's where you have redness or discoloration, and around the nose as well. I'm gonna use a bit of that to prime my lids. I'm too unbothered to go grab a sponge, plus it's going to absorb most of my product. So I'm going to use my finger and tap it in. Make sure that the concealer you're using is the same shade as your skin tone, not a shade lighter as you would normally use when using foundation. I guess there are no issues if it's a little bit lighter, but for a no foundation look, I usually prefer to have a concealer that's the same shade as my skin. I'm also going to need to set this in place so it doesn't crease throughout the day. I'm going to use this Peach Perfect powder from Too Faced. I'm going to pick it up on an eyeshadow blending brush. I will make sure that the concealer didn't crease yet, and I'm gonna stamp the powder on my under eyes first. I'm gonna take it on my lid as well and bring it down towards my pores. So kind of setting this imaginary triangle here. In the blush slash bronzer category, I would usually just go for one of them when I'm in a hurry. It's usually blush, but I got a new bronzer and I want to show it to you. Plus, it's pretty warm tone. I feel like it kind of replaces blush as well. It's this Sun Lover by Catrice. I love shimmery bronzers, and this looks so beautiful. Since it also has shimmery particles, I guess it replaces highlighter as well. I'm gonna start underneath my cheekbone, but kind of fading it towards my cheekbone as well. Since I'm not going to apply blush, I want a bit of color there. I'm also going to use it in my crease and kind of flicking it towards my temples. For the eyes, I did share this technique in a video a while ago. I'm going to do an eyeliner but with pencil. This takes me literally 30 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up a brown pencil, because this look is pretty soft. I think brown works a little better in this combination. I'm going to apply it on my outer corner, and then I'm going to need an angle brush like this, and I'm going to extend it to create the wing before the pencil has the chance to dry. Placing it here, kind of like that, and then I'm picking up the brush and flicking it to create the wing. I think the under part is a little bit faded, so I'm going to apply a little bit more pencil here and then smudging again. And this is my liner. It's very quick and much easier to do than using a liquid liner. I'm going to finish off the eyes with mascara. I'm going to use the On The Rise mascara from NYX. And I'm not going to curl my lashes today. With this cute cat eye that we have going on, I feel like flicking my brush outwards to accentuate that extension of the eye. gonna apply some on my lower lashes, again outwards. I'm gonna go for a nude lip. The most natural nude that I own is the Nudelicious pencil from Boys and Berries. It's in the shade Marshmallow. This resembles my lips so much. It's slightly pinkier. Funny, when I used to work in an office, I would never apply lipstick at home because I wanted to save time, so I would apply the lipstick in the office bathroom. I kind of miss working in an office because right now I work from home. But at the same time, I know that if I was to work in an office for more than a week or two, I would hate it probably. For me, going to the office for about, I think, a day a month would be ideal, just to satisfy my need to go to an office. And on top of this, I would either apply a gloss or a lip balm. My lip balm is Cosmetic Vaseline. I'm gonna pick some up on my finger and apply it in the center, keeping my lips moisturized. I would apply a gloss for the same reason. I hate the feeling of dry lips. What I would also do sometimes is apply a matte lipstick in the morning for the longer lasting effect, and then in the middle of the day or whenever I would feel my lips drying, I would apply a gloss on top, so that would usually save me from having dry lips. So this is the look all complete. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any tips on how to make your makeup routine a little bit faster, drop them in the comments below because we all need it. Who has a full hour to spare in the morning to do their makeup? Especially when you work early shifts, the quicker the better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're having an amazing day and I will see you next time. Bye!